Hey, welcome back everyone. It is time for another red hot cover call video. Well, hey, in fact, we're going to talk about the cash secure put. This is a trade I just did and sent to the members. I'm going to show you exactly why we picked the 40 and 41 strike using the 3X Leverage ETF to TNA. Now, we're making money at the membership. I really hope that you're benefiting from this stock market that keeps going higher. I hope if you're in retirement or thinking about getting into retirement, you have a cash flow system that is consistent with methods that make you money. See, that's what we do at the membership. Many times people will say, you have the discipline, you have the method, and quite frankly, you put on the trades, you're making all that money. We want to follow you. It's really that simple. You follow the trades. This is real money being invested. And the trade I'm going to show you right now, I'm going to make $1,500 on this cash secure put in less than 3.5 days. We're very conservative at the membership. One thing that you're going to find is that I don't do individual stocks unless I'm in them and I find myself down. So what we do is we trade around our position and eventually we'll get out at our cost basis. That's what all the members understand. We don't fail. We always make money. That's what we do. And new money that we put into the market, well, you're going to find exactly how we do it at the membership because I'm putting real money at risk here. In fact, this is going to be 1,500 shares. Off the top of my head, that's going to be $82,000 for this 3.5 day trade. That's what we do at the membership. In the description below is a 1 free month offer. I want you to join the membership. I'm having many people sign up every single day. Why? Because they want to see my trades. And real quick, before we get to that trade, I'm not going to bore you too much here. I've got too much to do, but I do want to get this video out for you. Haven't been here in a bit. Hey, look, if you like anything you hear today, I want you to subscribe to the channel. I try to come back every single week, show you timely and relevant covered call and cash secure put trades and poor man covered call trades. I'll tell you what, we are expanding that poor man's covered call section on the download hub. Real relevant videos showing my trades and how I've made money and the pitfalls and the successes you can have. You've been watching my channel, so you know how I present these videos. You're going to learn much more than maybe being in a Discord where you don't get that interaction. And I'll tell you what, being a member, you have that interaction. You can ask me any question. I'm always available. You have access. So hey, look, if you like this video today, bang that like button. It lets me know you like what I'm doing. Now what I'm doing is showing you where we're at. This is incredible. $50,000 in the month of August. Look at the dividend tree knocking down 21,000. Now looking at September, we've already made 20,000. It is September 16th. And I'm actually off the pace, but I'm about to show you all the trades that will come off the board. Of course, the dividends are going to fill up. I'm averaging about 16,000. I take all my covered call profits and cash secure put profits, the one I'm going to show you right now, and we put them into dividend paying funds, and we generate this passive income over here. And if you can't see it because you're on a phone, here we are, September. That's $125,000 in passive income. Income for which I do nothing. And yeah, that's what we do. We live the good life by writing covered calls, selling cash secure puts, buying dividend paying funds so we can live the good life. Now let's go ahead and talk about this trade because I do have to get going here. Oh, there's the dividend tree. I show all the members what dividends I'm buying to generate all that income. And I show them the discipline where when I have a profit, I pay the tax man buying XDTE. We take 25% of every profit. And we do that because you have to pay the tax man because the tax man cometh because we make so much money. And then we take the other 75% and we buy a dividend paying fund, any random dividend paying fund you see here on screen. Now, let's get to this real quick. So right here at the top, you could see, in fact, these are all my current trades on right now. Members see them all. They see my kids' trades as well. We have a lot of trades on because that's what we do. We trade the stock market professionally so I can make all this money and live in retirement. So let's talk about that very top trade. It's a cash secured put on TNA. Now, TNA, just like everything else in this market, has rocketed higher. We can still trade it. See, at the membership, that's what I talk about. We find a stock's trading range, its sandbox, and then we trade within the range. A lot of people can't trade things that are literally at the top of their range because they're fearful of the rug pull that's going to happen. Well, that's where I show everyone where we get involved. Even when something's trading up here, we can find great downside protection so we can then make money on the front side. And then if we get stuck in the stock, our downside protection gave us a great favorable chance for the stock to go higher. So in this case, TNA is going to be that trade. Notice this is a 3-day trade because we are using the September 19th expiration. So we go ahead when it's trading at 43 and we're using the 41 strike. Now, notice the trade below, if you can see this. I just did this trade and we picked the 40 strike. That's really conservative. We get 51 cents, and that's a nice $510 bill for 3.5 days of risk. And this means that TNA would have to fall from 43 all the way down to 40 in 3.5 days. Now, in this market, I don't see that happening. So why did I do the 40? Well, we want some serious downside protection, yet picking up some decent premium. You can only do that when you use 3x leveraged ETFs, because if you were to use the Russell 2000, the IWM, you would not make that much premium for a 3.5 day trade. Now, why did I pick the 41 strike in my IRA? Well, let's go to the charts because that's where it's most important. This is where you really benefit from the membership. I have videos, I call them chart reading classrooms. I do this all the time. On the download hub right now, I have at least 10 of these very super concise short videos talking about how to find great entry points. And this would be a good one today to do for the members, but I'm going to do it for you. So here we are. TNA has rallied and rocketed just like everything else. We always talk about not trading when it's out of the Keltner channel top. Why? Because as you enter the trade, there's somebody on Wall Street literally handing you the bag, and that's usually what happens. People get involved up here at 38, and it falls all the way to 31, getting kicked in the ribs and not having a chance for a favorable trade for some time. Now, in this case, that person that bought at 38 gets lucky because the Fed comes out. There's great news on tariffs. The Fed's going to lower interest rates, all that good stuff. TNA is going to benefit incredibly because of all the small and mid-cap stocks. They can borrow money cheaply, grow their business. In this era of consumerism, everything's going higher, so much money out there. TNA rockets back to 40. Now it peels back because that's what indexes do. There's nothing more predictable than an index going higher and it pulling back because Wall Street uses them to make quick profits. They run them up to sell them off to run them up again. This isn't something where TNA will go from $20 straight up to $110 like something like Robinhood. It rallies after it falls. There's more good news. Fed is continuing talking about lowering rates, and sure enough they do. We get continuation. But where do we get involved now? You're saying, John, where now? This is what we do. We dial in, and we always dial in on the last tremendous green candle that was not backfilled. If you notice, we have a tremendous candle right here. If you can see this on screen, it pops, and then Wall Street damn near fills the whole thing intraday right here. Now it's going to move higher. This candle pops. Now it has to backfill. So look what happens. It comes down. It's not going to backfill it. We would have gotten involved at the Keltner channel mid. Nobody has a crystal ball, and nor do I. I do not know if they're going to backfill that entire candle. But the one thing I'll tell you is, look where the backfill happens. It happens right at the Keltner channel mid. That is going to be the place we plant our first flag. So at the membership, I would have showed them that I would have done a trade right there. That would have been at 40. And in fact, I did do the 38 cash secure put. Gave myself a little extra downside. That's what we do. Well, the stock starts to move higher. Again, interest rate cuts are huge to TNA because it's the Russell. It's going to move higher. That's what happens. It moves higher and higher and higher. So now what do? We do not want to get involved at 44 just yet. So we look for the backfill. And the backfill is going to be from here to the Keltner channel mid. It's going to backfill that entire mid, and it looks like it's going to right now. So it's going to come back to around 41. This is where we want to plant our flag for the very first trade, and we're going to do it in 3 days for my trading. Okay, you do what you want, but for my trading, that's where I believe. Hypothetically, imagine in the next 3 days, it could pull back to 42.50. If it does that, my 41 is cleared. My 40 is cleared. Why did I pick the 41? Well, when we look at this, I want real downside protection. If it were to fall from 44, that would be some 10% all the way down to the 40 strike. Take a look at that. That could be a possible backfill. But what I'll tell you is this. It is the Keltner channel mid that they probably bring it back. This thing has been walking the mid all the way up. Pretty safe trade to stick your flag at the Keltner channel mid. Now you can look at the RSI as well. The RSI right here is Goldilocks. It's around 56. That's not too hot. That's not too cold. So I love it when we have this kind of action. It's not too hot. Many times people get involved when this thing is rocketing near the top. Look at where it was then. We get a RSI of 74. 74 is overbought by any measure. If you're buying any stock or ETF when the RSI is above 70, you might as well just reach your hand out and grab that Wall Street bag because you're about to get it. Now, you might find yourself feeling the pain, and then, of course, it rallying higher because that's what's happening, right? That's what's happening. But what I want is a favorable spot. I want a favorable spot. I just sent out trade alerts on LABU. LABU is trading exactly where I told the members when it popped to 82. And I told them, pump the brakes. We are done with LABU. Don't look at it till it comes back. We have so many other stocks and ETFs we trade. Let's just wait for it to come back. And sure enough, the entire gap fill happened. Look where it's at now. We could absolutely predict that it's going to run this line, which is the Keltner channel mid. And if it came back, if you want real downside protection, let's go ahead with that 72 strike. Oh, by the way, did you notice that LABU trade right there? Notice it's the 72 strike. I practice exactly what I preach. Hey, look, I'm going to leave it right here. If you find yourself not finding good entry points for your trades, then you need to become a member. If you like how I present my videos in this form, I need you to become a member. And of course, at the end of the day, if you just want to follow a successful active trader's trades, that's all you have to do. I tell the members all the time, I'm going to place these trades. You're going to get the trades damn near in real time because I update the website, I update the phone app, and they get the email. And basically, you can get the same numbers. Now, it's not always the same. Stocks ebb and flow. But you get close, hey, you're in the trade, just like me. This is what I potentially could make by this week. Take a look at this. This is incredible amounts of money. And look, we already have trades ready for the following week, and we're already getting some October trades. I'm like a contractor. You ever have a contractor come to your house and he's working, but then he gets on the phone? Yeah, what he's doing is setting up his next job. So he always has money coming in every week. That's what I do here at the membership. That's what I will teach you. Hey, look, with all of that said, I do wish you the very best of trading. This market is going to trade sideways to higher now that the Fed's going to cut rates, and I hope you take advantage of that. Hey, look, be safe, be healthy, most important, be lucky. Until next time, may all your covered calls be profitable.